You've seen it before on planet Earth. But have you ever wondered what it would be like to experience planet Earth for yourself? These expeditions bring you deep into the heart of our most fragile ecosystems. Together with photographers and conservationists, we'll teach you the art of wildlife documentation and storytelling. Getting there won't be easy, but it's the struggle that makes the journey special. Because when you peer into the eyes of a humpback whale, surrounded by endless blue water, you can feel it, the connection. We take you by air, sea, and land, through the tundra, across blistering deserts, and into the rainforest, to do whatever it takes for you to truly experience what our planet has to offer. Are you ready for an adventure?